Yo, you looking for a way to boost your business? Advertise with the best food review site out there, AmericanEateries.com. Yeah, boy, check it out now. Yo,
American Eateries here to come through, promote your business, advertise for you. I know I got your interest, go on and give a holler. It's time to get your name out there and make dollars. Affordable prices now, it's more but climbing up. So get your ad in now before the price is up. Run by real food lovers, we're the best review site. Check us out for yourself if you don't believe the hype. Trustworthy and easy to use, giving $50 weekly for our favorite reviews. Our users are sexy cool, they got swag, your bottom line got you sad. Try us and you'll be glad. Use a post to polls, discussions and recipes, post upcoming events, advertise special offers free. Communicate directly with customers, we know it's what you like. American Eateries, now check the site, yeah.
American Eateries has a large user base of tech-savvy mobile 22 to 45-year-olds with disposable income. So if that's what you're looking for, we're gonna be the perfect match. Yeah, AmericanEateries.com. Check it out now.